Alright guys, welcome back. So a follow-up from yesterday's video. Remember this middle ring, we had a problem with it after we had tested everything during the fabrication process. Got to the very end, to the last testing, which is where we're at again today, and that ring had a problem. So I found the issue. It was a solder joint. There were two solder joints, really close enough to touch one another, but you couldn't see it. I literally had to get out the magnifying glass and look at the solder joints to see the two. So cleaned those up, desoldered them, resoldered the pads, resoldered the wires, tested everything, put everything back together, and so here we are again. So for those that may have missed us, level 4, double row, double LED, alternating directions on the steel rings for the Polaris slingshot with a hood kit. Okay, so see if I can one hand this again. All right, here we go. All right, so everything works like it's supposed to. So I'm gonna disconnect power. For those who want to see that again. Alright, so everything is good. All the connections are done, extensions are done. In fact, I'm testing all the extensions with this whole setup. So every piece, including the control board, the signal amplifier, everything that's going with it, all those pieces are being tested all at the same time. So it's not like we're swapping out pieces prior to shipping. What you see right here is all the pieces that's going to get boxed up here in the next hour and get a shipping label on it, and will go out tomorrow via FedEx to its customer. Speaking of, this is going to James in, I don't have the state, but it's going out to James. So anyway, I'll leave a link in the video description below where you can go to the website. You can order something like this. The hood kit's on the website. Triple eyebrows on the website. I've got to add everything else. I just hadn't had time because I'm always working on stuff. And you see stuff like last night comes up where you got a problem, you got to stop, go back, figure out what's going on, spend some time doing that. But if you don't see something on the website that you want, just shoot me a message. All right? Shoot me a message. Let me know what it is you're looking for. I promise I can build it. I've got prices set up for everything. I can just send you an invoice. And as a little announcement, we're working with BitPay. We're going to start accepting crypto payments on the website. For those of you who like your crypto payments, cryptocurrencies, your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your Litecoin, your Doge, your USDC, your USDT, you know, whatever. That's going to also come with a nice little discount also. All right. You can't double discount, but you can at least get that discount. That'll be across the board for everybody who wants to do crypto payments versus your standard USD payments. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to go and take all this apart and get it boxed up and start on the next one. And we'll see you guys on the next video.